on our way to Las Tinajas Waterfalls, so we're gonna try to do the hike, leaving the Margaritaville. So heading out now. So we'll see what today brings and what kind of adventures we've got today. So bye y'all. Bye y'all. Working our way out of this crazy massive resort, 500 acres of Margaritaville, Wyndham property. Going on adventures in our little beater mobile. Watch out for the speed bumps. Meep, meep. In the parking lot at the house here at the waterfall. So we're gonna see what this looks like. I'm not even sure which way to go or what we do, but we'll figure it out. There's people here, so we'll follow the crowd. Flying so nice, we had to do it twice, baby. This is amazing. Doing sketchy shit in Puerto Rico. Day 3, basically day 2 here in Puerto Rico. We hiked in El Yunque rainforest, the Las Tinajas waterfall. We rode some natural water slides. We jumped off rocks. The hike was amazing. Did you guys have fun?
Yes, we did.
That was a good time. It was a good time. Puerto Rico did not disappoint. So it was awesome. It was awesome. So appreciate y'all joining us on this journey. We'll see you on the next one.